Hey BBs, so we are at the Home2Suites at the Las Vegas Convention Center, and we decided to give you all a quick room tour. Now, when you first come in, you do get a full-size refrigerator. That comes in handy. As you can see, here's the full freezer. I'm going to show you the refrigerator. Plenty of room for your drinks, snacks, meals. Definitely is much better than those little tiny refrigerators. You get a microwave, a paper towel station. You do get a sink, and I thought this drawer opened, but it didn't. You get a full size dishwasher, and it does come with dish soap, dish detergent, cutlery, silverware. That's the living room section. You do get a couch or a love seat, whatever you prefer. There's the bed. This is the section with the ironing board and the iron. As you see, we already have gotten pretty settled in here. Have a lot of desk space. We in the desert, y'all. But if you look closely, you can see some very beautiful hotels here in the Ferris wheel, the MSG sphere that's being worked on. Again, there's a little desk, perfect spot for me to do my makeup. We had a TV. And then we're going to make our way to the bathroom. Pretty decent sized bathroom. We get a bathtub. Now, my biggest complaint here at Home2Suites is the water was lukewarm. It did not get very warm at all. It was very lukewarm. That's my only complaint. Other than that, everything else was cool. The bathroom was clean. The room was clean. Everything was neat and tidy. Tidy worked very well. The appliances worked well. The view was cool. And that wraps up the tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye, BBs.